Shonaking, or Schmittyflows as many know him, is taking social media by storm. This self-proclaimed king of the Shona nation is not just a figurehead, he's a cultural phenomenon. With his unique blend of music, dance, and storytelling, he's captivating audiences and sparking conversations about Shona heritage. People are drawn to his charisma and the way he weaves traditional elements into modern expressions. His catchy beats and relatable lyrics resonate with both young and old, making Shonaking a voice for a new generation. As he claims his throne, he's not just entertaining, he's igniting pride in our roots and encouraging us to celebrate our identity. The questions swirling around him only add to the intrigue. Who is he really, and what's next for the Shona nation? One thing's for sure, he's here to stay, and his reign is just beginning.